Auto Cooling Solutions. Get your cool back.
In this video, we're changing out a rear AC line for a 2009 Suburban. This is the front connection. This is the rear connection. This is where it connects at the front under the hood on the passenger side. This is where it connects in the rear on the passenger side. You need a 13mm socket to undo all the connections. Fish the line through following the original lines. And you do this for the high and the low pressure lines, one at a time. Take your time, just follow the line that's already there, and you'll be fine. Of course, we have this up in the air. Some of you may have to crawl on the ground because you don't have a lift, but it's still very easy. It's best to zip tie the new lines to the old lines to keep them in place. Fish the front end up just behind the wheel well compartment. Keep following the old lines and down to the front connection point. This is the low pressure line that you're on. Here's the connection again. Do the same. Here's the high pressure line under some wiring and stuff. It's kind of hard to see here, but you'll be able to get at it here like this. That's where the high pressure connects on the passenger side under the hood. Again, 13mm nut on all of the connections. Thank you for watching. Find us online at autocoolingsolutions.com. Call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.